Have you ever wondered what an alien civilization would think if it discovered Earth? Not whether they would attack us, not whether they would help us, but what they would actually think humans are. Would they see us as intelligent? Would they see us as dangerous? Or would they see something completely different? The truth is, aliens would not see humans the way humans see themselves. We think of ourselves as people with names, jobs, families, dreams, and complicated lives. Aliens might not know any of that. They would judge us through the evidence we leave behind. So the real question is not, would aliens find us? The better question is, what conclusion would they reach? Let's start with our technology. If aliens looked at Earth from space, one of the first things they would notice is light. Cities glow across entire continents. Satellites circle the planet. Radio. Signals travel into space. To them, that would be evidence of intelligence. But would it impress them? That depends. A civilization thousands of years older than ours might see our technology the way we see stone tools: useful, important, but primitive. To an advanced alien species, humans might look like a civilization that has only recently discovered technology, a species taking its first steps. Now think about communication. Humans can communicate with people on the other side of the planet almost instantly. We can send pictures, videos, ideas, and information around the world in seconds. Billions of people connected together. That sounds impressive, but aliens might notice something strange. Despite being connected, humans still misunderstand each other constantly. Arguments, disagreements, conflicts. We built a way to talk to everyone, but we still struggle to listen. Would aliens find that confusing? Maybe, or maybe every intelligent species goes through the same thing. Now think about war. Aliens might discover that humans learned how to split the atom. We can power entire cities. We can send machines into deep space. We can perform surgeries. That would have seemed impossible only 100 years ago. Yet we also create weapons capable of enormous destruction. That would be difficult to ignore. Why would a species intelligent enough to build advanced technology use it against itself? Would aliens see that as reckless, or would they recognize it as part of being a young civilization? After all, humans are not the first creatures to compete. We are simply the first ones we know of that can do it on a global scale. Now think about curiosity. Humans spend enormous amounts of time asking questions. What is beyond our planet? How did life begin? Are we alone? We build telescopes, launch probes, explore oceans, study atoms. All because we want answers. That might be one of the most recognizable traits to another intelligent civilization. Curiosity, the desire to know more. The desire to understand. Maybe aliens would recognize that immediately, because perhaps they started the same way. Now think about something even stranger. Humans are full of contradictions. We can be selfish and generous, cruel and compassionate, patient and reckless. We build hospitals and prisons. We help strangers and fight neighbors. To an alien observer, humans might be difficult to classify, not entirely peaceful, not entirely violent, not entirely logical, not entirely emotional. We are many things at once, and maybe that is what would make us interesting. Maybe aliens would not see us as advanced. Maybe they would not see us as primitive. Maybe they would see us as unfinished, a young species still deciding what it wants to become. And maybe the real question is not what aliens would think of humans. Maybe the real question is what humans will become before aliens ever find us. This is the Curiosity Engine, powered by curiosity.